The 2026 Austin-Putilov Armored Car is a bold step forward in the world of military vehicle design, combining historical significance with modern engineering and cutting-edge defense technology. This vehicle pays homage to the original World War I Austin-Putilov Armored Car, which was once a symbol of battlefield resilience, but now, it has been reimagined for 21st century conflict scenarios. It's no longer just a tribute to military history, it's a fully functional, state-of-the-art tactical machine designed for real-world operations in harsh environments and unpredictable conditions. The exterior design of the 2026 Austin-Putilov is both aggressive and purposeful. It features an angular, reinforced steel body with multi-layer composite armor that provides maximum protection against ballistic threats, IEDs, and small arms fire. The armored panels are rated to withstand up to STANAG Level 3 threats, meaning it can handle direct hits from 7.62mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery shell fragments. Its turret-mounted weapon system, located on the roof, can be configured with various weapon modules including a 12.7mm heavy machine gun, automatic grenade launcher, or even a remote-controlled missile system depending on operational requirements. These options make it suitable for a range of missions including reconnaissance, convoy protection, urban warfare, and patrol operations. In terms of mobility, the 2026 Austin-Putilov does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a high-performance hybrid diesel-electric powertrain that delivers over 650 horsepower and generates immense torque to support both speed and off-road capability. This setup not only ensures better fuel efficiency but also allows for near-silent electric mode operation during stealth missions. The vehicle features an advanced 8x8 independent suspension system, making it adaptable to rough terrain including deserts, forests, snow, and urban debris. With a ground clearance of 470mm and a fording depth of over 1 meter, it can tackle extreme off-road environments without compromising crew safety or performance. It also supports run-flat tires, automatic tire pressure adjustment, and advanced traction control. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Austin-Putilov offers surprisingly high levels of comfort for a vehicle of its class. The interior is fully sealed and air-conditioned, with CBRN chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear protection for hostile environments. It comfortably seats up to 8 personnel including the driver and gunner, with ergonomic seating, harness points, and vibration dampening panels. The command interface is built with a digital battlefield in mind, using multi-screen displays, integrated satellite communications, real-time threat detection, and secure encrypted networking. The driver uses a digital HUD with night vision and 360-degree camera integration, while the commander and gunner have access to augmented reality displays for target tracking and engagement. When it comes to tech features, the 2026 Austin-Putilov is one of the most advanced vehicles in its category. It includes AI-assisted navigation, automated convoy following, threat assessment systems, and a drone launching bay that supports tactical aerial reconnaissance. The vehicle can also be remotely operated if required, allowing it to function autonomously or as an unmanned combat unit in high-risk scenarios. This makes it suitable not only for conventional military missions but also for peacekeeping operations, counter-terrorism deployments, and border security. Advanced acoustic dampening and heat signature reduction make the vehicle difficult to detect even with modern surveillance equipment, giving it a major tactical edge in both rural and urban theaters. Another critical aspect of this vehicle is its modular design. The 2026 Austin-Putilov allows for rapid configuration changes, meaning it can be transformed from a troop carrier to a mobile command unit, medical evacuation vehicle, or armored logistics carrier within a matter of hours. Its modularity extends to the weapon systems, communication tech, armor upgrades, and internal seating layout, allowing it to adapt to different missions and threat levels. This level of flexibility reduces logistical burden and increases operational readiness, which is especially important in multi-theater operations. From a maintenance perspective, the Austin-Putilov is built with ease of service in mind. Its components are designed to be accessed quickly in the field with minimal tools. The vehicle supports predictive maintenance systems that alert operators to potential issues before they become failures, using onboard diagnostics and remote monitoring. The hybrid engine also reduces long-term maintenance costs and extends operational endurance compared to traditional armored vehicles. The use of composite materials also makes the body lighter and more resistant to corrosion. In terms of performance specs, the 2026 Austin-Putilov can reach a top speed of 95 miles per hour on road and sustain 45 miles per hour off-road. Its range is over 600 miles on a full tank and battery combination, making it suitable for long deployments without the need for frequent resupply. The braking system uses electronic control with regenerative braking to extend battery life. The steering is assisted electronically for precise control in tight spaces and unpredictable terrain. It has a payload capacity of nearly 5,000 kilograms and can tow additional modules or trailers when needed. Safety systems include automatic fire suppression, emergency escape hatches, blast-resistant floors, and side impact reinforcement. The global defense market has already shown interest in the 2026 Austin-Putilov. It is expected to be a serious competitor in military procurement programs across Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Its blend of historical design inspiration with the latest in defense tech gives it a unique identity while remaining highly functional. While most military vehicles tend to prioritize raw armor and power, the Austin-Putilov manages to strike a balance between protection, performance, adaptability, and digital integration, making it one of the most anticipated releases of the year. The price of the 2026 Austin-Putilov Armored Car starts at approximately $1.2 million United States dollars depending on configuration, armament package, and regional requirements. While not aimed at civilian buyers, its cost is considered